Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the designing the login screen. So this is my login screen. You can see that, and here I need to just do the restarting. Okay, so here I need reload my application. So here you can see that we have this one, and whatever I can enter over here, and with the form just log like this. And here in the console you will see that the email and the password console.log. So I have the inputs, that input fields also in the console. Okay, so how we are going to design such a nice look view of with the help of the React Native, we are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look how we are going to design that one. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have a login screen. Okay, so here we have a React and the use state from the React and the React Native from this, all of these from the React Native. Then we have a login screen. First we have a use state. Okay, under login, so we have logging the email and the console, whatever set in the states. Okay, then we have the image background. Okay, they have source, then we have a blood radius, then we have a view. Okay, then we have a styles, so background, container. Okay, the title, input, and the button and the button text. Okay, by doing all of this you will able to get the login screen design what I have done. Okay, so main thing that I have used is the background image that makes him look better on that, so you can also use that image. Okay, so this is how we are able to create a login UI design with the help of the React Native. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.